Okay, year 12. Here we're going to be looking at exercise 3H, which is on increasing, decreasing and periodic sequences. This is a reasonably short exercise. So what you need to know is this. A sequence is strictly increasing if the terms in the sequence are always increasing, i.e. this sequence here. Similarly, a sequence is strictly decreasing if each term is smaller than the previous term. And finally, a sequence is periodic when the terms repeat in a cycle. And then from that, you need to be able to identify the order. So the order is how often it repeats. So for example, if we had this sequence here, 2, 3, 0, 2, 3, 0, 2, 3, 0, it's periodic because it repeats. And the order is 3 because it's got these 3 terms that just keep repeating. It's hopefully nice and straightforward. Okay, so for each sequence, we need to answer the following 2 questions. We need to decide if it's increasing, decreasing, or periodic, and if it's periodic, write down the order. So example 1. Here is our recurrence relation. So the next term in the sequence is defined by the previous term plus 3. The first term is 7. So u of 2 is going to be 10, u3 is going to be 13, u4 is going to be 16, and so on. And with that in mind, this sequence is increasing. Second example, we've got this recurrence relation. So the term in the sequence is defined by the previous term squared, and then the first term is 1/2. Okay, so u of 1 is 1/2, u2 is going to be 1/4, u3 is going to be 1/16, and so on, and therefore this sequence decreasing. Now finally, this time we've not got a recurrence relation, we've just got u of n is sine 90n. So to work out u of 1, we just substitute this in, which therefore gives sine 90, and sine 90 is 1. u2, it would be sine 180, which is 0. u3 would be sine 270, which is -1, and u4 would be sine 360, which is 0. u5 is sine 450, which is back to 1. And so we can see from this that the order is 1, 2, 3, 4 before it starts repeating. The order is 4, and it is a periodic sequence. With that in mind, have a go at exercise 3H. It shouldn't take you very long.